Back, yes, that nigga named D be the first nigga popping off shit about me. Bullets flying out the back of that SUV. Niggas crying for a verse on my next CD. Nigga, did 5,000 out of the trunk. No radio play, no beef, no funk, just raw shit. Y'all spit cautious, nauseous. Listening to the next MC.
Spinning on the wheels is the yellow skin winner. So keep your body moving, stay right on time. Cause like Yella, the music's on your mind. Well, I remember just a little while back when the DJs was starting to disco scratch. And it was only done by just a few. One was DJ Yella of the Wrecking Crew. They came from everywhere just to see a Yella throwing down at the EAD. The E after dark scene became the penthouse. But that didn't stop Yella from turning it out. Because Yella cut the record down to the bone. And Lons got me rocking on the microphone. Yeah, he can cut so fast. He's lightning quick, cause all it takes is just the flick of his wrist. So move your butt and shake your hip, because he's taking you on a party trip. I'm not talking about a preacher, I'm talking about school, not teaching Sunday class or the golden rule. Because I'm talking about the one that makes you swing your butt. Yella master rocks, and he's calling the shot with the surefire mix to dance you out your socks. Yella took a test to be the best. You see, he scored so high, he put down all the rest. The answer is clear, there's no question asked. So who's the best DJ that's cutting it fast? Yella is the one, mixing so precise. So all your other DJs take this advice. You don't be a fool and try to slice. Cause when you go against Yella, you pay the price. As he plays the role to make you feel it in your heart and feel it in your soul. I said Y-E-L-L-A. Yella cuts the records in the hardest way. So step out your shoes, don't take a chill pill, cause Yella is the one that's so